This is another matching problem. This is where you solve for similar forms for either side of the equation, and then you match the coefficients with one another. So let's try to expand the left side. So ax plus a plus bx minus b is equal to 7x. Now let's try to match up the x's together and then the constants together. I'm just putting parentheses around these just so that it looks a little bit more clear, but it's not really necessary. Now, we know from our matching concept that all the x's go together and all the constants are equal to one another. Why? Because if this equation and these two expressions are equal to each other by this equal sign, therefore we also know that the individual values are also equal to one another. So what this becomes is that we get ax plus bx is equal to 7x. And we also get here a minus b is equal to 0. So let's just solve for each of these and plug them in. So we can divide both sides by x. So we get a plus b is equal to 7. And for here, we get a minus b is equal to 0. And now we can just solve for a. We know that we can just add these down straight down through system of equations. In other words, we can add straight down, so we get 2a plus 0 is equal to 7. So we get a is equal, 2a is equal to 7. Divide both sides by 2, we get a is equal to 3.5.